Hello, y'all. I might as well try to do a video while it's quiet. It's 9:26 a.m. in the morning. Excuse me. Sorry. So, I haven't been able to do that many talking videos because of having a difficult time trying to find the opportunity of peace and quiet. Even now, I feel like on edge because I never know when somebody's going to come or if somebody's going to come soon. So, well, I didn't get to say, what's been going on lately. My back is starting to itch. So, my sleep was kind of so yesterday during the day. Slept off and on, and then got no sleep at all last night. I tried, but just couldn't sleep. So this morning it rained, and I'm very sleep deprived. So I just not long ago got done eating breakfast, and so they say it's supposed to have severe weather and rain all day today, and then rain all night tonight and tomorrow morning or something. I don't know. And then Saturday night is supposed to rain. Saturday night is supposed to be back very cold, like 29 degrees. So I spent my last $8 on breakfast, but the most I was able to panhandle was $2 last night in cash, and so I have 41 cents left in the bank. So so I spent the $8